Creating an inviting landscape design for a town entrance involves a combination of aesthetics, functionality, and community identity. As you approach the entrance of our town, a symphony of natural beauty and thoughtful design unfolds, setting the stage for a warm welcome and a sense of community pride. Lush greenery and vibrant floral displays flank the sides of the road, creating a living tapestry that evolves with the seasons. Stately trees, strategically placed, provide a natural canopy, offering shade and a serene atmosphere. A well-manicured lawn, punctuated with benches and decorative elements, invites residents and visitors to linger, fostering a sense of community connection. Thoughtfully placed lighting fixtures accentuate key elements, ensuring that the town entrance remains enchanting even as the sun sets. To enhance functionality, the landscape design incorporates smart urban planning. Pedestrian-friendly pathways and designated parking areas cater to both walkers and drivers, ensuring accessibility for all. Informational kiosks or interactive displays share the town's history and upcoming events, fostering a sense of community engagement. This landscape design for our town entrance is more than just aesthetics. It's a celebration of our shared identity, a harmonious blend of nature and urban planning that welcomes everyone to experience the unique charm and spirit of our community.